So today we're going to be looking at VeThor Token. That's VTAR token. It's a derivative of VeChain. And, if we actually look at the trending tokens, it was actually the second most trending token over the last 24 hours, which is pretty cool, right? I subscribe to their thing. It's really quite neat. You get the image of everything that's trending. And, I personally really like to keep track of what's trending. So today we're going to be doing an analysis of it. We're going to figure out where we can potentially get in because, of course, we've probably missed the initial big move. And if we examine the last 7 days, it's up by more than 45%. And within the last 24 hours, just the last 24 hours, it's up by more than 45% again. But the actual movement, from 7.5 to 93% buying and selling volume, that's a lot of activity. So there's a substantial amount of movement we're seeing in the volume. And we have it right here, up 45% within the last 24 hours. So if we analyze it from this perspective, you can see that it experienced a significant pump recently. And in fact, this is looking at the last 48 hours. So in the last 48 hours, it's seen gains of almost 444%. That's quite a lot, wouldn't you agree? Now, often when there are tops, prices tend to come back and retest those levels. And if we look at the daily chart using my brand new indicator here, this level here is 1.68, which is typically reached during bull runs. And now we're looking at 2.68. This would actually bring us up to around 0.2982. So there's certainly a lot of potential inspiration here. Now, what we really need to focus on,
all that's really required is for you to head over to the Discord server here, navigate to the Indicators section, and you can then download and retrieve the Crypto-Quebec Indicator 2.0. Afterwards, you can integrate it into your TradingView platform, and you'll be able to access it and experiment with it. If you're keen to join my trading teams, we've now grown to over 500 members, 500 traders in my team, the Crypto-Quebec team. And if you click right here, you'll find bonuses for each platform. If you decide to sign up for one or more platforms, you can then send me a message here on Telegram, and I'll go ahead and add you to my team, where we now stand at 509 members, 500 traders, and the results you see are actual results shared by members who send them to me, which I then share within the team here. So if you're looking to be a part of my team, it costs absolutely nothing. You just need to sign up for the platform and send me a message on Telegram. Now, let's circle back to VTHO. So after entering at this potential point, what would be the objective? It's quite straightforward. It could potentially reach this level, like so. It's the candlestick structure that will ultimately determine this, the actual course of action. We're talking about this level here, which would logically lead to an upward movement. And after that, we'll likely test the previous high here. You see this orange line? That's significant because it represents the wicks that are there. Perhaps it might pull back a little before returning to test the top here again. And if that scenario plays out, obviously it requires suitable candlestick formations. It's possible that it might pull back slightly because, in essence, a top can sometimes evolve into a double top, much like we observed here. So we push back a little, and then we'll aim to target the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, which would place us at approximately 0.17942. However, the crucial thing to understand is the candlestick structure itself. It's the candlestick structure that will ultimately dictate for us when you should be in the trade, and more importantly, when you should exit the trade. There are truly no secrets in the world of trading. You absolutely must learn to read the candlesticks as if you were reading a book. That's how you will perform. Knowing that I win 85% of my trades, if I achieve